Evan, is that the Easter Bunny's eggs?
Yeah.
Did he drop them off for you?
Yeah.
Where's there more eggs, Evan?
On the chair.
On the chair?
There's a yellow one on the chair. Yeah.
Go get it, Evan. There you go, Evan. Look at all your eggs.
You put them all in a pile.
Oh no.
You can put them right on the stairs, Evan. Go get the rest of them.
Evan, where's all the other eggs? There's one. Go find him, Evan. There you go.
There's some more.
Where's there more eggs, Evan? There you go.
Where's the sheep money go? Where's the sheep money go, Mommy?
I don't know. You gotta find it. Is there any more eggs?
No.
You sure? Keep looking, Evan. There you go.
I'm not here.
Is there any more?
There's no more.
Is there any more eggs over there?
Maybe over here, Evan, by the TV.
Yeah. By the TV. By the TV.
Oh, there's one. How about over here, Evan?
No.
How about in the living room? You think there's any eggs in there?
Have a look over here.
You're gonna put that one